Alright, so I'm working on this 2002 Buick Regal. It's got a sunroof on it. So I put water on top of it. It's got a leak coming in at the passenger floorboard. I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's a wet spot right there. And it's dripping. Let's see. You'll see it in a minute. It's dripping. See that water drip? Let's see, it'll drip in a minute. There it goes. So it's dripping right there. So I was thinking it was a sunroof. Drain clogged up. The drain is right there for it. So I said, well, how can I figure out, exactly if it's the sunroof or not? So took the water hose and stuck it right here at the windshield wiper. The cowl is, I think that's what they call it. Let's try to get y'all video. So I stuck it right here, and let's see, still dripping more fast. So therefore, if you think it's your sunroof, just go vehicle's got a sunroof, kind of like I thought. Then check that first before you go messing with sunroof. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this plastic piece off and see what's going on up under here, and see what I can find. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, so got this plastic piece off, got the everything off, and this is what I found so far. So this is the cabin filter. Looks terrible. So that's that. So now we got to figure out where this water's coming in at. Looks like there's a hole right there. I don't know if that's some type of drain or where the water kind of goes down in and kind of goes out, and maybe that's where it's leaking at. That's what I'm thinking. Stay tuned. So it appears to be, so when I took this off, the rubber piece, this little rubber piece just kind of fell off like that. So that, when that water comes down, that seals the water from coming around, which to me is a bad design, but it is what it is. Seemingly that's how they design stuff these days. But anyway, so the water was coming down through here and puddling up right here in this corner, and then it was draining down in there and then coming along the firewall. That appears to be what the problem is. This over here, I think, is a drain that just drains out from the car. I mean, I can check it, but I'm 99% sure that was the problem. So when you put this back on there, just make sure that this right here, make sure that the seal is, what I'll do is I'll squeeze this. It's got like a metal membrane inside, so I'll just squeeze it so it fits a little bit tighter on there, and go from there. And I'll see if the customer wants to put in a new cabin filter. I would recommend it, since I'm right here at it, basically. See what he wants to do, and go from there. Y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching.